What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of the Shovelhead. I don't know where I left off last, but this is currently what it looks like. I think the last time I had changed out the kickstand because the old one that I had was all beat up, but I'm still having to use a block here because I just don't like how much it leans over. And to fix that, I ended up getting this right here from V-Twin. It's an extended kickstand. I think it's like a 2-inch extended kickstand or something. And I mean, there's an 1.5 inches, so that's kind of what I based it off of. The lean isn't bad right now, but I think it's kind of perfect. So what I want to do is I want to see, let me set you guys up. I'm going to measure just here to see how much longer it is, because it's supposed to be only a 2-inch extension, but it looks roughly like it's like 3 inches longer or whatever. So this should be pretty good. I think this is gonna work. It has to work because, well, look at that. It's way beefier than the other one at the bottom. Oh, you guys got, oh. Maybe you guys can see how much bigger it is at the bottom.
That's what she said.
But if we match it up there, pretty much here it's pretty much almost the same. From here on the ground to there, maybe a little more. So I think this is going to fix the lean, and I'm going to be pretty happy about that. So let's go ahead and take the old one off. The biggest pain is removing the spring, because it is a brand new spring, so it does have a lot of tension. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it on the stand. I'm going to get that spring off. Alrighty guys, we got it on the stand back here. Go ahead and attempt to take the spring off. I've found the best way, because it's like mostly tensioned when it's out. Just do it when it's inwards, that way you can pull this one out. And that's exactly what I'm going to attempt to do. Don't take these springs lightly, guys, because these things are freaking gnarly. Let's see if I can get it without messing anything up. Got it. Got that spring off. When they're, I mean, it's brand new, but it's already been tensioned out. But if it's literally brand new out of the packing slip, that thing was a piece of work to get out, dude. Or actually to put in. I struggled like a good, I'm not even gonna lie, it took me like a good, I want to say 20 minutes to get that spring in place. That thing sucked. That thing sucked super bad. So I'm just going to reuse all the old hardware here. The lock. Literally brand new. Couple scrapes on the bottom, pretty much from just putting it into place and riding it around and seeing if I even really liked the lean that it had. They were both from V-Twin. One was stock length, and this one is the extended length version. I don't know. I feel like it was just too much lean for me. It might be okay for some, but for me it wasn't. I don't know if that's I feel like factory, it had too much lean for it to be factory length. So let me go ahead and set this in place. Same configuration. like so. I will be adding Loctite. Let me get that actually. Alright, we're back. So even though it does have a lock washer, I will still add Loctite. I did not do it on the other one because it wasn't the length that I wanted literally from the beginning, so I wasn't even going to bother putting Loctite on it because I knew that I was going to change it right off the bat. So add some Loctite on there. Tying this one down. Get it in the groove. That way it doesn't move and then just snug it down. I think this one's gonna do it, guys. Oh yeah. Let's see how far back. Oh, we gotta move all this stuff. Back here? That's not too bad. I mean, that works out pretty good over here. So, let's go ahead and get the spring back into place. Hook it on the top. And now, let's see if we can get this back in. Took me a couple tries last time, so let's see if I can do it again. Should be easier since it is a little used already, but we'll figure it out. Got it. Stops right there. Seems like it doesn't kick out as far as it should, honestly. The other one looked like it kicked out. Oh, it actually goes straight. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna put it on this block of wood right here for now. I'm gonna set it down. Let's see what it does. Alright guys, so I have it on the block. So you guys can see the bike is literally almost vertical. And this is exactly what I was going. Oops. I almost dropped you guys there. This is exactly what I was going for. I wanted it a little more vertical. And let's kick off the block and see what it does. It should, if my calculations are correct, it should be exactly, if not a little more vertical than it was the old kickstand and the block. And I was correct. Kickstand, that small little lean. This is exactly what I was going for. And honestly guys, it's little things like this that make me happy. Besides, you know, all the bigger things. I'm gonna do a whole I'll give you guys a whole bike check on this, that way you guys can know exactly what's on it and everything I've done and whatnot. But short little video for you guys during the week. There's still a lot more to come on the bike, but if you guys did enjoy this video, or if you did find it informative, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I do, you know, the motorcycle and the Jeep stuff, you know, but if you guys are enjoying the content, just subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, turn on that notification bell, that way you guys are always notified when a video is dropped. I'll see you guys on the next one.